we just released about 1.5 billion naira as advance payment for the equipment. And once you have paid and we have bank guarantee, we know that those equipment will be delivered. What will also excite you is the fact that when these equipment are installed, there will be no hospital in this part of the world that will have the kind of quality equipment that will have.
Mr. President, I cannot thank you enough for accepting to come all the way from Abuja to help us to commission this hospital so that it can be made open for public use. There are a lot of facilities that are there. We gave the equipment supply to a world-renowned company that is specialized in hospital management and hospital equipment. I hope I get the name correctly. Vament Nigeria Limited. It's an Austria-German company, and we have assured that every equipment that we ordered is based on the latest technology as it exists today. Our only regret is that all the facilities have not been delivered, but the ones that have been delivered, I am sure when Mr. President see them, you'll be impressed with what a state government under your able leadership and direction is doing in Edo State.
I'm very impressed with this work, and surprisingly or amazingly, we were in the car with the governor. I was not aware we are coming in here, and I couldn't recognize the building. I said, which edifice is this? And he laughed at me. He said, it's a hospital you are going to commission. And the way he told us how he came about it, I think this is the best way and the best thing he can do for the people here. I thank him very much for identifying me with his successes. Thank you very much.
Where the reception is?
Nobody here,
Nobody is around. This is the most fraudulent exercise ever embarked by any government in this country. The process of awarding a contract at completion and commissioning shows clearly that to date, this place ought to be a functional hospital. We are here, we've met an empty hospital. No adequate equipment, no doctors, no staff. Not even a single nurse is available at this time.